Okay, man, come on through. There you go.
Got it?
Perfect.
Great.
Okay, now obviously we have a lot of welding to do. It's going to take a little while, but we wanted to show you some of the next steps just so you could see how it all comes together. Now when you're welding this much material, things are going to move around, right? So this is going to happen after we're done welding, and we want to stitch things together. So you're getting it all to move a little bit, move a little bit, move a little bit, so it's kind of uniform in how it's moving around. Then we'll come to the next step. Tell us what we're doing with the flanges.
Yeah, so we got these pucks from Performance Cryogenics and this alignment bar jig that we use after we finish welding with all the heat affected areas after everything moves, and that's our final step. We use this bar to align everything straight. After that, we could tack these ends in and weld them all down for good.
Yeah, make sure your axles are running nice and true,
Yep, so
everything
perfect.
is straight. So.
Yeah, and then we'll get this thing underneath our Pathfinder. It'll be good to go.
Yeah. Well, man, I appreciate you bringing the truck in. That was an awesome thing to mess around with us. Go next door and hit some of the dirt and berms and stuff over there.
Dude, it really is an amazing thing what these guys can do in these sort of, performance-based machines. You're talking big time air, big time rocks, things that you would never believe you can get over or get past. They do it on a daily basis and for hours. So a lot of fun. Check it out. Go Google it or something. King of the Hammers. Go Google our man Andrew. He's behind the wheel of this beast, man, along with on the road and fabbing up stuff in the shop and on the trail because, he's hammering it, he's driving it, and he's breaking it.